Next, we will head over to the API gateway to create our endpoint. So head over to the services tab and we will search for API gateway. We'll click on it. And we will scroll down until we see REST API and we will click build. We choose the REST protocol and we will select new API. We will give the API a name like search bot API and we will leave the endpoint type to regional. Now we will click on create API. And once in this screen, we will click on the actions button here at the top under the resource tab. So we'll click on the actions button, we will create a method and this method will be a post. And we'll click the tick button. So the reason why we create a post method is because if we refer to Telegram bot's API page, when we set a webhook, and whenever there is an update for the bot, Telegram will send us a HTTP post request to the specified URL. So that is why we must create a post method for it. So back in the post method that we have created, we will select Lambda function under integration type. We will check this box for use Lambda proxy integration, and this is very important. And then we will select the Lambda function. So we will have to type our bot's Lambda name. So we'll type search and then we will click on the option available, which is search bot, and then we will click on save and click on OK. Once done, you will see a screen like this that says post method execution. Once that is done, we will click on the actions button and we will click deploy API. Deploy stage, we will select new stage. The stage name, you can give it anything you want. For me, I will write V1 and click on deploy. And there you go, you have your endpoint created here. So this is the link that will invoke your Lambda function.